Tom runs a small business with 10 employees. Despite growing revenue, he's drowning in chaos. Sticky notes cover his desk, and he can't find a client's email. Frustration mounts as he struggles to stay organized. Tom relies on sticky notes for follow-ups, a spreadsheet for contacts, and separate tools for invoices and marketing. Nothing connects. He often forgets which note is current, leading to missed opportunities. Tom loses another hot lead. Disappointed, he realizes this is the third one this month. He thinks this chaos is just part of running a business. At a networking event, Tom meets Emma, a fellow business owner. Curious, he asks how she manages everything. Emma smiles and reveals her secret, a CRM. Tom is intrigued but skeptical. Emma explains that CRMs aren't just for big companies. Her CRM handles marketing, sales, customer service, and operations all in one place. Tom is surprised and starts to see the potential. Emma shows Tom her CRM dashboard. Marketing campaigns, sales pipelines, and customer service tickets are all managed seamlessly. Tom realizes everything is organized and cost-effective for small businesses. Tom has a light bulb moment. Instead of juggling sticky notes and spreadsheets, everything can be in one place. He learns that a CRM costs less than his current disjointed tools. 3 months later, Tom's office is transformed. His desk is clean, and the CRM dashboard is his new command center. No more chaos, just efficient operations. Tom's morning routine is streamlined. Follow-ups are automated, leads are assigned, and marketing campaigns run smoothly. He confidently manages tasks, and his team is empowered. In a team meeting, Tom shares impressive growth metrics. They've closed 40% more deals, and customer complaints have decreased. The team collaborates effectively, and Tom finally sleeps well at night. Without a CRM, you're missing automated follow-ups, self-running marketing campaigns, and peace of mind. CRMs are for any business aiming to grow without chaos. Act now. Implement a CRM to automate and grow your business. Book a free consultation today at www.imarketing-consulting.eu and start your CRM journey. Don't wait. Fixing the mess later costs more. If you're running a small business without a CRM, you're missing more than you know. You're missing automated follow-ups that close deals while you sleep. You're missing marketing campaigns that run themselves. You're missing service tools that make customers happy. You're missing reports that show exactly what's working. And you're missing the peace of mind that comes from having everything in one place. CRMs aren't just for big companies anymore. They're for any business that wants to grow without the chaos. They're also for sole traders, independent consultants, solo business owners. Get a CRM now. Build the right foundation. Automate marketing, sales, and customer service. Scale as you grow. Free your team from manual admin tasks. Let them focus on revenue-generating work instead. Don't wait as implementing later costs 10x more when you're fixing the mess. Stop missing opportunities. Get your CRM. Grow your business in one place. Book free consultation at www.marketing-consulting.eu.